This video will show you how to check the number of Communicator licenses in use on your PBXware. Start by logging into PBXware. Once logged in, select the desired tenant and navigate to Apps menu. Inside, you will see the overview of all Communicator licenses in use. In our example, at the top, we have 20 licenses for each Office and Business Edition of Communicator. And we also have 20 licenses for CRM module. We have no licenses for Agent, Supervisor, iOS or Android edition of Communicator. Let's take a look at Communicator Office editions. In our case, it shows 7 out of 20 in use and available 13. Number on the left, 7, displays the number of extensions that have been assigned to use Communicator Office editions. Number 20 displays total number of Communicator Office editions that can be used at the same time. It also means that we have purchased 20 licenses for Communicator Office Edition. Number 13 represents the number of available Communicator Office editions that have not yet been assigned to any extension. Next, let's take a look at Communicator Business Edition. In our case, the number of assigned extensions is greater than total number of licenses. We have 20 licenses for Business Edition, and we have 25 extensions assigned to use Business Edition. The available number says -5. In this case, the first 20 extensions that log into Communicator with Business Edition will be able to use it. The remaining 5 extensions will have to wait until someone logs out. Under iOS and Android, we have 0 licenses. This means that no extension will be able to use iOS and/or Android edition of Communicator.